First Standard English Workbook Term 2. Birds around us. Look and say. Look at the pictures of birds and say their names. See the first picture. What bird is it? Yes, it is a duck. Next one is sparrow. Bulbul, crow. Pigeon, hen, crane. Eagle, parrot, owl. Myna, peacock. Quail, cuckoo. Woodpecker. Color the myna. See the pictures. The first one is myna. The second one is owl. So we color first picture. Listen and tick. Listen the sentence. This is a peacock. See the picture? Yes, the first one is peacock. The second one is parrot. So we tick the first picture, peacock. Read and circle. This is a parrot. It is, what color is it? Yes, green. So circle the word green. Next, this is a crow. It is black. So circle the word black. The next one is, this is a sparrow. It is brown. So circle the word brown. Color the AT words. The word ending in AT. You color that word. Rat, fat, mat, pat, bat, hat. Next, read aloud. Cap, map, tap, gap, lap, nap. Next, hat, bat, cat, rat, mat, pat. Color the pictures with the same sound. See the first picture. What is this? Yes, it is a cat. Same sound words, hat and rat. So color these pictures. The next line you see, the first picture is fan. So color man and van. Next, match. The first picture is cap. So match the word cap. Second one is cat. Match the word cat. Third one, pan. Match the word pan. Last one, van. Match the word van. Tap, mat, man, bat. Match correct pictures. Read and circle the sight words. The first word, H-A-S, has. So circle has. They have already done it for you. The next word is A-N-D, and. Where is the word and? Yes. So circle that word. Next one, have. Find the word have and circle it. Next one is W-A-N-T, want. Where is the word want? Yes. So circle the word want. Next, be. B-E-B. Circle the word be. Next, many, must, wise, very, for. Circle for these words also.